Hello and welcome back everyone to another CapCut tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can add music onto your projects and then include them within your edits. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CapCut application on your device, and once you are inside your main menu, you can drag and drop any kind of file onto your project. You can also click on the import button to search for your music file so that you can add them directly. You may also add audio recordings to add them onto your project. Now, alongside the media tab, you will also find audio section. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now see various different audios that you can use within your project. You can listen through the various audio files by clicking on it, and if you want to use this, just click on the plus button to add it onto your timeline. Now, you may also import various different video files and add them to your video layer. You can create a montage of videos with the music that you have added on the background. And in order to watch the preview, you can click on the play button. Similarly, you can also import voiceover files from the Import tab by simply importing your recordings, and you may add them to your project by simply dragging and dropping. You also have the option to record voiceover using your microphone right within the application. Just click on the microphone icon underneath the Player tab, and you can now use your microphone by using the Record button. You will also find options to reduce echo as well as enhance your voice quality. And if other tracks have audio in them, make sure that Mute Project is selected. Once your voiceover is recorded, it will be added onto your timeline. And now you can export your file along with your audio track. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add music or audio track onto your CapCut project. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.